morning friends. Today we are going to learn how to order DXN products directly from DXN eWorld page. So for that we have to use our laptop, desktop or Android mobile phone, any other phone with the browser like Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. And for that, remember one thing, the website address is named as eworld.dxn2u.com, like that way. E for electronic and E for electronic and WORLD. When I'm typing on the Google, you see that there's a eWorld login is coming. Either I can directly from go on Google and type eWorld login and it will take me to the particular link, or I can simply type the eworld.dxn2u.com on the browser address, like that way, eworld.dxn2u.com. Either we can type it here or I can select it from eWorld login here. So I'm selecting from the Google because first time it a little bit maybe a little bit confusing for the few distributors. They will not reach on the correct page. So here you see the distributor login DXN eWorld. Remember to check that HTTPS, that is, it's a secure page, eworld.dxn2u.com. I click on here, so that take me into our e-commerce portal, that is eworld.dxn2u.com. Here you have seen that there's a screen is displaying. In that you can use your DXN 9-digit distributor ID and eWorld password and enter the secure code and login to go inside the e-commerce and eWorld dashboard. And either you can select, that is for the online purchases, the option is there, you can click it there, you can see the many countries. Now I want to purchase from India, I click on the India, and after clicking the India, it will take me into the product pages. Let's suppose I want to buy a tea. It is mentioned there that is one quantity. By default I make it 10 and I click on the blue card. Once I click on the blue card, it will take me into the login page again, right? Login page again. That means you must have a DXN distributor ID to buy or purchase any product online from the DXN e-commerce portal. So here I've been already mentioned that is ID and password, because to save a time, and also we have to mention enter the secure code, that is it is already mentioned 2811, and this secure code every time change for whenever you log in, that is going to visit on this page. So I'm typing the 2811 as a secure code, because here I've been already used my distributor ID 9-digit and my eWorld login password and secure code. I click on the login. Once I click on the login, it will take me into the DXN eWorld dashboard page. So the main page. So I'm just simply scroll down my mouse, going down. Here we have to click on the online purchase, because today we are going to learn about how to make an order online. So I click on the online purchase. Again it will take me to the another page, online purchase page. Here I have to click on the online purchases. You see that there's a cart and boxes there. Click here. Simply I click it here and it will take me to the product ordering page. So friends, it may take the little bit time. It depends upon your system and your network speed. Now you see that so many products are visible here, right? Now I want to buy a tea, right? Tea I want to buy, let's suppose 5 quantity, and here I have to click on this card, blue button. Okay, click, and it will shows me the button of that is a view cart and the continue shopping. View cart means whatever I am selecting product for shopping, I can go and check into the view cart, and continue shopping means adding, that is another products. So I click on the continue shopping. Now I want to buy RGGL. So RGGL, it is not visible on this page. Okay, second page I am clicking. It is not visible on the second page also. Okay, so now here in the left side you see the product categories. Here the food and beverages series, health food supplement series, personal care series, skin care and cosmetic series, apparels and promotion package. So I want to make an order of RGGL and aspirina. So I'm clicking on the health care and food supplement series. You click and check which products are under which series. So I know that that is spirulina and the RGGL into this series. So here see, so I want 360 capsule quantity 1. I click on the blue card, continue shopping. I want GL 361 and RG 361. Now this is the my order. So now I would like to add few more products. Okay, few more products, like I want to buy a soap and paste. Then I go into the personal care series. Here the page is opening. All the products that is belongs to this category, it will display on the page. So I buy soap. Let's suppose 5 quantity, and continue shopping. Another product, that is paste, 1 quantity. And if I click on the continue shopping, it will go to add, that is another products. If I want to simply say I want to see in my cart, that is what are the products I have been ordered, I can click on the view cart, and I can simply proceed for the finalizing the order. So in the view cart, there is a two-way. Either while you are selecting a new product, adding a new product, so you can go to the view cart, or either you can come from the top menu. See the cart. The cart means that is a 14 quantity products selected in my cart. I can simply click on the carts. It will take me to into the same screen. Here you can see the products that you have been added. Now in this page you can remove the product. If you don't want to buy that product, you can remove it by simply clicking on the remove. Let's suppose I remove this tea. It has been removed from the page, and now I wish to add one more Spirulina 360 capsule. I want to increase the quantity. Simply I click the up arrow, 2, or if you want to make it 1, then I click on the down arrow, right? If I want to remove, then I can remove the simply product. So I make it quantity 2. So you can increase or decrease. If you want to add few more products, then you can click on the continue shopping, or you want to close the order and you want to go for the finalizing order, you can check out. Now you see here in the top heading it is mentioned PV, SV, weight, DP and subtotal. Now see in the bottom of this page, PV, SV, weight, right, and PV, SV, weight and rates, and the final rates of those products is the DP and final rates of those products, right? So these are the things total that you can see on the page. So my order almost final. So I know that I don't want to make another that is add a few more products. I don't want. So I simply click on the checkout. Once I'm clicking a checkout, it will take me into the shipping details. Here you can see in the left side, name is mentioned. So you can edit the name. Remember, we have joined with our distributor login ID. So in the shipping address, let's suppose you are living in Tamil Nadu and you want to send a product to Delhi. So you can change the name of the concerned person who is going to receive the product, and you can mention his mobile number. You can also edit and change it. Mobile number, address, you can change it also. Okay, whatever you want, you make the change here, like that way. Okay, you can type. Okay, and the state you can select which state was there, and the pin code, postal code, and the email ID. So that you can, in this email ID, you can receive that is order confirmation. So any special delivery instruction, any timing you want to mention, you can mention it here. I would like to mention deliver between 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I make it 6 p.m. So before going to continue, you can check right hand side the products that you have been ordered, you have been selected. Going to order, you have been selected. So if you want to make any changes, you can change it. If you want to add any product, you can simply click on the back and go to continue shopping to add the new products into your existing order. Let's suppose in the existing order, and let's suppose you don't want to add any products. You want to reduce the quantity of any selected products, like that. I want soap 4, but I want paste 2, so I can simply increase it here. So now you can see the subtotal. So my order almost that is whatever product I want based on my needs, it has been already selected into the cart. Now I am clicking the continue. Once I click the continue, it will take me into the payment portal page, or you can say the payment portal. I can take me there. So it may take time. It is depend upon your server speed, and that is your system speed as well as your net speed. Here the payment option, 3 payment option: e-wallet, debit and credit card, bank transfer. E-wallet means that is you are getting the bonus in India. That e-wallet amount, it will display if any balance was there. But at present I don't have any balance. Do not have e-wallet balance, so I cannot make any payment from the e-wallet. So now I am clicking on the credit and debit card. I want to make a payment through my card. Here we can see that the card supported Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, Maestro. These are the cards supported by this payment gateway. Then we have to click the place order. Once we click the place order, it will take to me in a payment gateway. Here I have to choose the smart checkout or cards. So through cards I am going to click, and the name on the card, what is written over there, you just mentioned here. Card number, you can mention it here, right? And then your this expiry month and year, and last 3 digits of your card security code, and your mobile number and email ID. And you can also click on the this check button, save this card for faster checkout. If you are not using your own laptop or your own mobile, please don't click on that, because if you are using any public system, then simply click on the pay, and it will process the payment for your order. And once you click on the pay, then payment will be deducted from your credit card or debit card, and your order process will complete it. And in the if you don't have the debit card and credit card, then we have to choose the bank transfer option. We can transfer from our bank account. Bank transfer, if we click on the bank transfer, it will show you the account name, in the name of account DXN Marketing India Private Limited, account number and FSC code. That you have to add in your in your bank account, as well as you can add to any payment gateway method like Beam or RuPay or GPay, any other application that is a UPI payment. You can add the account of the company and make the payment. And once you make the payment, you can take a transaction, screenshot of the transaction of that particular payment, and that transaction you require to edit here. So once you make the payment, then you click on the I confirm. Then in the choose file, the transaction details, transaction slip that you have taken through a screenshot, that you have to edit here through choose file. Let's say for example I am adding this one, choose a file, and I added the transaction detail. This detail will help to order department to check your payment and track your payment, as well as also it will help you to communicate if any dispute arise, any inquiry you want to do with this related to this particular order. Now you have to go to place order. Remember one thing, before place a order, in the right hand side you again recheck your entire products, whatever you have ordered, quantity and the rates, everything should be mentioned here. And the see, there's a total amount, net weight and tax, everything should be mentioned. And see here the delivery charges is 0. That is, if you are making an order more than 1500 ppb, equal to or more than 1500 ppb, there is no delivery charges. If your order is less than 1500 ppb, then 150 rupee will be charged as a delivery charge. Now, most important thing, you have to check the shipping information. If it is correct, everything is correct, then only you can continue. If anything is wrong, you want to change anything in that, like a shipping address, like a product, anything, then you simply click on the back and make a changes and come back to this screen. Now, for me, everything is perfect. Now I'm going to click the place order. After placing an order, nothing can be changed. My order will be generated and email will be sent to on your given email ID. Now see, you will get the screen order confirmation. Thank you for your order. Your order has been completed. Purchase confirmation has been sent you through mail. Now you can see these are the bill generated. And most important thing, distributor code. Okay, because we have already changed the name, and but the bill will be raised in the name of the login distributors. Okay, it cannot be changed. Distributor, it will always raise in the name of the distributor, but the shipping address should be that provided by us or typed by us during the order. The material will be shipped, product will be shipped to particular this given address. Now you can see in the bill that quantity and the total amount, PVSV, everything it is mentioned. Kindly take a print out of this page or take a screenshot of this page for your future reference or for any future that is inquiry with the company. My dear friends, I hope that you understand how to make a online order of DXN products by using eworld.dxn2.com portal, and I hope that you can share this video to all your friends in your network. So one more important thing, before closing the screen, simply do the log out. Once you log out, then your this portal online order has been completed. So my dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video, and good morning. Be safe. That is, very soon we will come with the new video. Till then, bye bye.